Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. You like the video, leave a comment. All that stuff really helps out a lot. The members pages is open. We're going to be doing one-on-one, well, not one-on-one, but live feeds with rod building classes if you're interested in. A lot of these rod wraps and videos, I cannot go into all the detail in exactly how I do it, or the video would be too long, and it just wouldn't work for the algorithm. So I am going to be making videos for members only that are really long, because they're going to be unedited. See all my mess ups and everything. But in today's video, we're going to do the basic rose, a simple rose on this blue blank. And I'm not using my Color Fast rod wraps, or my Color Fast thread rather. I use size D thread for a lot of my wraps and putting on the guides and stuff, just because it's so much bigger and it covers much space. But with these wraps that I've been doing, I realized that, you know, the size A thread is a lot better. But I mean, rod wrapping thread is expensive, so what we're gonna do today, I got these rolls of thread right out of the sewing section of Walmart. They're just regular sewing machine thread. We got we're gonna use black, green, red, and this pinkish color for this wrap. I got this rod laid out at, it's still laid out from, what wrap did I just do on this one? Oh yeah, it's laid out from the chevron wrap and then the reverse chevron wrap. So these dots here are at 40 centimeters. We're going to see if this will work for this wrap we are doing now. So we are going to get started. Now I only plan on keeping two of the roses. So I always go past a good bit of what I want to do, just so that the end ones are always messed up. Don't know how this is going to come out, but I wanted to try it for a while, so I figured we'd give it a shot. Okay, as you've seen, I broke that thread when I was trying. It overlapped one of the pink threads, so I was trying to force it back over and it snapped. That's why you clean up each time you make a wrap. You clean it up, because now if I had other wraps on there, I would have had to unwind all that. So I only had to unwind one thread because of that mistake. It's very important to do this stuff. After you do each wrap, clean it up, tighten it up, check it, double check it, because once you start getting other threads on it, makes for a bad day for you if you mess it up. We're just about done with the wrap. Now we'll have filling in stuff to do, but the wrap is just about done. We're gonna have a couple of wraps of pink going around here. I know you guys are going to ask, how far did I start out with that pink in the beginning? I have no idea. I was just guessing, and after you do it enough, you'll be able to guess. I still don't know if it's going to end up right. This wrap has been nerve-wracking, to say the least. Alright, so I got the green thread on the spool right now, so I figure we'll just close this off real quick, show you what it looks like closed off, and then we'll call this video a wrap. Been all day doing this on and off. This little thing was a lot more complicated than I thought it was going to be. Ain't gonna lie, I thought this thing was going to be a piece of cake. Little did I know. Looks like a rose. Let me know what you guys think. If you like it, if you don't. Like I said, I would have started right here if I would have thought about it, and then just spiral the green, like 5 green all the way around like that. And it could have looked like the roses were growing off a vine. That would have been nice. But still a good wrap, I think. I like it. I mean, it's not for everybody, obviously. But, I mean, that's a pretty good wrap. Thanks for watching, everybody. For the 33% of you that stayed to this point, I really appreciate you. And don't forget to subscribe, like the video. Definitely leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of this wrap. And I'll see you guys on the next one.